Welcome to Research Resources. Whether you're a history major or just taking a history course, you'll probably be doing a lot of research. This video will give you an overview of a database you will likely use and return to as you move through your history studies at San Jose State. It's called America History and Life with Full Text. Databases are a great resource with a lot to offer. Here's why. It's a very effective way of managing and making accessible a lot of information. Increasingly, information is provided in electronic form through the use of databases. So what's a database? A database is a system by which large amounts of information in the form of data is organized and stored through the use of computers. What's especially handy about a database is that it allows for the search and retrieval of the data it contains. This makes them especially useful to researchers like yourself. Many databases are discipline or subject area specific, such as those available to you at the university library. Information in databases like this one is generally kept current by being regularly updated and modified as needed. That means as new works are published, they're added. This can help you stay up to date in your research. You'll be using databases a lot as a student at San Jose State. Over time, you'll become familiar with them. You will likely find them extremely useful and time-saving for research. Many databases are hosted and managed by companies that enable their use with sophisticated interfaces that translate the electronic data into usable form, and search engines especially designed to help researchers identify, locate, and gather the information they need. America History and Life Full Text is hosted by EBSCO. EBSCO is a private company that provides fee-based automated information services. The information they offer is extensive and comes in many forms, including hundreds of databases. Many libraries subscribe to their specialized content services and databases so that faculty, students, and patrons can access them for research. EBSCO doesn't just provide information services to libraries. They have customers in a number of fields, including healthcare, law, business, and government. America History and Life with Full Text is just one of the many databases they host, available to you for your research through the university library as a student. But what does this database cover? What's its focus? You can use this database to research topics concerning the history and culture of the United States and Canada from prehistory to the present. The database has the advantage of offering access to the full text to more than 280 journals and over 80 books. This means that once you locate an item of interest, there are good chances the entire document is immediately available. This can save you a lot of time. As a student of history, journals will likely be a key information resource for your academic work. The journals you'll find in this database will be periodicals intended for research, professional, and discipline-specific communities. Journal editors publish a collection of articles at certain scheduled times of the year. These articles are typically scholarly works of research and analysis in a specific subject area with a bibliography and footnotes. The authors have a high degree of expertise in their fields. Very often you'll be asked by your instructor to use peer or scholarly reviewed articles for your research. This database allows you to search just for those articles. What is peer scholarly reviewed? It's written work, manuscript, or a draft of an article that has been rigorously evaluated by individuals with exceptional knowledge in the subject area before publication. The peer scholarly review process is a way to ensure that published works in academic and professional journals are of a high standard. Other respected authorities in the field check to see if the contents of the article are accurate, credible, and supported. Is the work original? Does it offer something new to the subject? This database also allows you to search for cited references. This means you can look up where a particular article has been cited and discussed. You can also limit your search to a specific time period. It provides links and citations to book reviews. Over 1,800 journals from 1895 to the present are indexed. It also has English language abstracts of articles published in over 40 languages. To locate America History and Life with full text, you can go to the OneSearch homepage at King Library and click on Articles and Databases. This will bring you to the A to Z database page. Here you can navigate to America History and Life with full text in a few ways. The red arrows point to 3 options. You may find the All Subjects tab on the left easier if the name of the database or vendor doesn't quite come to mind. You can just look up History. When you click on the All Subjects, scroll down to the menu and select History. Then click the link to America History and Life with full text. At this point, you'll probably be prompted to log in with your student ID and password. Once you do, you'll land on the EBSCO interface with the database already loaded. Here's what it looks like. At the top of the screen, you can see that the database is loaded. Just below is where you can enter your keyword or search term. Further down, under Limit Your Results, you can select full text. You can also limit your search to a specific historical period. Also under Limit Your Results, you can find other helpful features. To the right, you can select peer-reviewed if that's what you're looking for. You can also select for specific kinds of publications. Here are the results from having initiated a search using slavery as a keyword. Because I previously selected full text, all the results will have that option available. For this top result, it shows that it's available in HTML and PDF formats. To the left are ways to refine my results even more. For example, I might exclude all reviews from my results. As you can see, this database has many options that can help your research be more efficient and precise. It can also help you save time. Explore and experiment, and be sure to check out the next 2 videos for some search demonstrations. I hope you found this overview of America History and Life with full text helpful. If you have any questions about this database or other things, please don't hesitate to contact me. I welcome the opportunity to assist you in any way I can. Thanks for watching.